Governor Reynolds vetoed a law last spring that would have limited the powers of the state attorney general to join out-of-state lawsuits. In exchange for the veto, Tom Miller agreed to ask the governor for her permission before he joins a case. KCCI investigative reporter Alex Schuman is live tonight to show us which cases have been approved and denied.
Yes, Steve, this agreement has been in place for about 4 months. So far, Governor Reynolds has denied the Attorney General from joining 10 cases and approved at least 6.
It's a great process that we put in place.
An agreement made in May has let Governor Kim Reynolds stop Attorney General Tom Miller from joining several multi-state cases. She denied him from joining cases challenging abortion restrictions, a case on LGBTQ rights, as well as lawsuits on environmental regulation, immigration, and a case defending a California law banning high-capacity magazines.
I'm proud of what we've been able to do, and that's between the Attorney General and my office to continue to work through the various requests that we get.
Reynolds approved cases aimed at protecting student loan borrowers from unfair practices, a lawsuit against Purdue Pharma connected to the opioid epidemic, and cases that will let Iowa get a share of certain settlements. There is no other agreement between a governor and attorney general like this in the country. In exchange for Reynolds vetoing a law that would permanently take power away from the attorney general's office, Miller agreed not to prosecute any multi-state or federal cases in the name of the state of Iowa without the consent of the governor.
It's something that the both of us agreed on in order for me not to sign the legislation. I think it was a compromise that was worthy.
In a statement, Attorney General Miller said in part, "The agreement affects this office only while I am serving as Attorney General. My greater concern was always about the institution of the Attorney General and its powers and duties. My successors were always more important than the current Attorney General." Now, Miller also told us that he continues to protect Iowans by using enforcement actions, and he can also still express his opinions on matters to federal agencies and Congress. We're going to post the full list of these cases for you that we got from the Attorney General's office on KCCI.com. Reporting live at the State House, Alex Schuman, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.